Hi there, I'm Stewart Casper. I've been practicing law in Fairfield County for close to 44 years. I've seen a lot of changes in the legal system over time. As a young lawyer, I became very interested in injury work, and in particular in brain injury work. It really captured my attention and fascination from very early on. I can recall attending my first brain injury conference in Boston, probably in 1979 or 1980. And I have really focused on concussion and brain injury law throughout my career since then. We have a small, what I would call a boutique law firm here in Stamford, Connecticut. By boutique, I mean we're really limited in the areas of law that we practice. Predominantly in the area of injury work, that can include medical malpractice, that can include trucking accidents, that can include product liability. And we also handle aspects of employment law and workers' compensation. Just coming back to the way that I described the firm, we really focus on limited areas so that we can master those areas. I have, over my career, presented to conferences of lawyers and others any number of times throughout the U.S. and in Canada. That's part of the way that I have really stayed on the cutting edge, particularly in the area of brain injury. Handling a brain injury case is as complex as anything that is done in the injury area. So some people may think that medical negligence, medical malpractice is highly complex. Well, brain injury is equally complex and equally expensive to put on the right type of case. Part of my cultivation of knowledge in this area has involved attending national and international conferences that have also facilitated my awareness of other professions, adjunctive professions that contribute to proving brain injury cases and the damages that flow from brain injury cases, which is very important. There are few lawyers in Connecticut. There are few lawyers around the country who have been able to accomplish what I've accomplished in terms of in-depth understanding in particular areas. When I feel like I've developed an area that might be nuanced, I contribute and collaborate with other lawyers around the country. I am often called upon by lawyers elsewhere to contribute on a pro bono basis to assisting other lawyers. I think that that is something that is really important. Other lawyers around the country look to me to contribute and help them understand the area much better.